So let's talk about these items I have with me. These devices are called reed switch or magnetic switch. Reed is spelled R-E-E-D, reed switch or magnetic switch. So what's the function of this reed switch? The reed switch is used to sense the full retraction and full extension of a cylinder. Okay, so what I have in my hand is a cylinder. This is a double acting cylinder. I'll talk about it in details when I talk about pneumatics and electromechanics. Okay, so this reed switch is used to actually send electromagnetic signals to the PLC. The PLC is programmable logic controller, which we'll talk about subsequently. So it is used to sense the full extension and retraction of this cylinder. These cylinders are used to actuate objects in a machinery or in a system. So how does the PLC get its signals? That this cylinder has either retracted or extended. So we use the reed switch to actually sense this full retraction or full extension of the cylinder, which in turn sends the signals to the PLCs. So anytime you see a reed switch, it is not just on the cylinder of answer. It is there to help sense when a cylinder is fully retracted or fully extended. So this is the work of a reed switch. I hope you got something from that. See you in the next one.